Pull up. Welcome everybody. Hey. Morning everybody. Good night. Good evening. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Welcome. 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 Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody to Hey. Fair party. Make sure on the feel everybody feel. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Let me know where you're repping from, guys. Let me see some flag in the chat. Let me know where you're checking in from. Let me know where you're checking in from. Real fast. Real fast. Let me know where you're checking in from, guys. Where are you checking in from, guys? Where are you checking in from, guys? Welcome, everybody. Hey, all right. You're leaving? Woman leaving. Welcome, everybody. Let's go. Where you checking in from, everybody? Me not see everybody. Me not see everybody tell me where them I come from. Wanna come from? Wanna come from? Wanna come from? Wanna come from? You never stop until. Let's go. Turn up the chat for me there. Wanna turn on the chat? Turn on the chat. Turn it on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome everybody. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. All right, let me do this. All right. Welcome everybody to. All right, welcome everybody to YAAD and Abroad. Welcome again to another episode of YAAD and Abroad with Welcome everybody to YAAD and Abroad with KaySweetness. Now this is our cultured show. We teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you the Jamaican language, our dialogue, our accent. We teach you Patwah. We chat Patwah. I'm a teacher Patwah. But not only that, we get people from around the world, all over the world to come teach you for them culture and for them language as well. Now just to do a recap of last week. Last week we had A2B from Guyana. Well, we find out some things about Guyana because me never know say Guyana have gold. I never know say Guyana have oil. I never know only for things but Guyana. I never know say the US dollar worth so much up over there. So I'm kind of things that I need to find a husband in Guyana. When I think about it, I kind of want to find a husband in Guyana. And then we had in the box the lovely Miss 𝐻𝐿𝐿, who is right now down there in the comments. Make sure you guys fave her, Miss 𝐻𝐿𝐿. Guys, fave 𝐻𝐿𝐿. She told us that we as regular people, when we eat the ramen, you know, make that sound there, and sometimes it not sound right, it not sound properly. But to you, it not sound properly, but to them, it's respect for the food. And she represented Japan, right? She's also mixed with the Philippines and the Japanese, but she represents Japan on that night, right? Now, if you guys missed last week, make sure you follow me on YouTube, right? At KaySweetness, and then you will catch the full recording of last week's show. Make sure y'all hit me with a fave, right? Make sure y'all hit me with a fave, all reds, all green, you know what I'm saying? If you're smurf up, let's get with the program. Again, welcome everybody to YAAD and Abroad. No, as I say, YAAD and Abroad have to do with culture. It's a culture show, right? So in the first segment, you don't know, so we deal with YAAD. We deal with YAAD, right? Now it's Father's Day weekend, so let me say from now, happy Father's Day to all the fathers, all the mothers who play father role. All of the father them will never really do, but when they get, I want to play the role the right way. Happy Father's Day. Also, happy Father's Day to the mothers who play the father's role. And I mean, we can't talk about myself, but yeah, big up to all of the fathers, them happy father. Make we say happy belated birthday to Tupac Shakur. If he was alive, he would have celebrated his birthday yesterday. So we say happy belated birthday to Tupac Shakur. Coming up in Jamaica, guys, we have in Jamaica, we have Sumfest coming up. I don't know if you don't know about Sumfest, but it's a festival that usually keep every year during this time. But due to the fact, say, Corona didn't want to take over the thing, and they want to stop the thing. Sunfest they kind of start. It's an international show, so it's held on every July 22nd to the 23rd. So if you are interested in coming to Sunfest, the tickets are now on sale, so you can book your flight, your hotel. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right. So also, just to say the Proverbs for today is 𝐻𝐿𝐿𝐿, Graveyard Road. Again, the Proverbs for today. Now, each week we give you a Proverbs from Jamaica. Now, the Proverbs for today is 𝐻𝐿𝐿𝐿, Graveyard Road. Alright, 𝐻𝐿𝐿𝐿, Graveyard Roadside. Again, if you're just joining us, welcome to YAAD and Abroad with KaySweetness, right? Now, at the end of the show, we definitely tell you what the meaning of the Proverbs. Again, the Proverbs for today is 𝐻𝐿𝐿𝐿, Graveyard Roadside, right? At the end of the show, I'll definitely tell you what the English version again. Now, right now, before we kick things off, I want to shout out to the top 10 gifters them. You see me? I want to top 10. All right, make we go and watch and see what I'm going. But anyway, right? So moving right along. Now we need 2 volunteers in the box. The volunteers that are going to be in the box have to be non-Jamaican. You know, if you understand Patwah. You know, if you understand Patwah at all. I need a volunteer in the box. Anybody that don't speak, anybody want to know Patwah. If you're not Jamaican, jump in at the box. If you want to learn Patwah, jump in at the box. If you come from a different country, jump in at the box. Somebody jump in at the box, me and wait. But yeah, no, when you don't know, say, we are Jamaican, but sometimes when we do verses and them something there, we encounter some people from United States, from this or right over this or however, when we talk to them sometimes, them things say we're savage, right? When we say, you know, so we have KFC, we have Burger King, they be like, Jamaica have KFC, Jamaica have Burger King, Jamaica have them something there? Yeah, we have everything. Now, just to know, make you know. Jamaica has most of the franchise that is located in the United States or any other country. We have them. The only thing we probably we not have McDonald's, we not have Taco Bell anymore, but we have everything else. Now, when you come to Jamaica, I know some of you use to nice road. Like the smooth road there, only use on a nice road, right? Now, when you come to Jamaica, do not expect to get a smooth sailing drive from the airport or from anywhere else in the world. Or don't expect if you got the hotel, if you're going to the hotel, don't expect to have a smooth sailing drive. No, Jamaica is known to have the most pothole. Yes, pothole. So from time to time, you got to have a little bumpity, bump, bumpity. Yeah, we're known to have a lot of pothole. Jamaica have a lot of pothole, right? Now, when you come to Jamaica, guys, for the love of God, for the love of Jesus and the love of God, please don't itch up. When we say itch up, we say not tan. When we say not tan, don't just stay in your hotel room and enjoy the regular American style of things. Come out on a place, book a tour. There's a lot of excursion in Jamaica. We have Dolphin Cove. We have camel riding. Dunsira Fall is very common. We have a lot of falls in Jamaica. We have a lot of restaurants. Make sure someone try some Jamaican food and don't just come and eat in a regular food. For the love of God, don't do it, please. Reach Falls, you name it, we have it. Now, I want a volunteer in the box. Now, please, can I get a volunteer in the box? No Jamaican. You know, if you understand Patwah, because I teach me, I got teacher. So if you not speak Patwah, you can jump. No, Penny, no. Penny in the box. Penny, I need a non-Jamaican, non-person when I understand Patwah. You must not understand Patwah. I need a volunteer in the box. We need a volunteer in the box. So much people in here. Hello. I am non-Jamaican. Get away, Petty. Petty is Jamaican. I need, no. I need a non-Jamaican in the box. So I'm not getting a volunteer. I'm not getting not even one volunteer. AK, I need you in the box. I'm going to call a name then. AK, can you request the box, please? Request the box, AK, please and thank you. AK, I need a volunteer. No, you speak fluent Patwah. I'm not going to volunteer. Not even one. One volunteer. One volunteer. My chela, make sure you not chat Patwah because it's not organized.
Sorry.
Hello. Why you in my chela? AK, can you request the box, please? Request the box, AK. No, you do not speak Canadian. AK, can you request the box? Yeah, we need a non-Jamaican in the box. Welcome again. Welcome everybody to YAAD and Abroad with KaySweetness. Now, this is a culture show. We need a non-Jamaican in the box. Non-Jamaican in the box. Father God. Hello. How are you doing? You all right?
Yeah, I'm all right.
All right. Before we start, can you introduce yourself? Let us know where you're from and how long you've been on the app.
Okay, so I've been on the app since yesterday. I had a different page, but it...
Come back. Oh, God. Come back. Request back the box. I'm sorry. Ashi? Yeah, Ashi? All right, Ashi. Right? Ashi? Yeah. All right, yeah.
I'm back. Yeah, so I've been here for like, this page is brand new since yesterday. Thank you so much, Kitty Doll.
All right. So
level up. Okay.
All right. Yeah, it's the level up for me. Now, welcome to YAAD and Abroad, ma'am. Hey. Now, in this segment, me a teach a Patwah. So I'm gonna ask you a series of questions. The Jamaican them are down there, so please type the Patwah version and type the English version. All right? The Jamaican them are down there, so please type the Patwah version and the English version. I'll be asking you a series of questions in Patwah. This is a listening task, so make sure you listen carefully. So you can probably get to me and say, all right?
Okay.
All right. So where you go?
Where did I go?
No, come again. Where you go?
You must be on two devices. Am I supposed to be guessing what that means?
Yeah.
Where y'all go? Where do you want to go?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Come on to me yard.
Come on, yard. Come around here?
No. Come again. Come on to me yard.
Here like 3 people. Get out of my yard.
Wait.
My bad.
What you know about me?
Say it again.
What you know about me? Why
I don't want you?
What you know about me?
What do I know about you?
Yeah, what do you know about me? Right. You know, Patwah, wait there. One. Come like you love ear when me talk.
Something about when you
talk. Come like you love ear when me talk.
You sound sexy when you talk.
Come like, guys, make sure y'all hitting her with a fave, guys. Come like you love ear when me talk.
Come over here when you talk, or look at you when you're talking. You like...
No. It's like you love hearing me talk a lot. Like
I love hearing you talk. I'm learning.
You love hearing when we talk. All right. Where y'all go cook?
Say it again.
Where y'all go cook?
Where do you want to go? What you about to...
Where y'all go cook?
I'm not sure.
What are you going to cook?
Oh, what you gonna cook? Okay, all right, that was a...
Check out my things.
Check out my things?
No.
Say it again.
Check out my things.
Take my shit off.
Take off my stuff. Take off. One last one. We're in a college party today?
Am I having a good day?
No. Listen. You're not listening to brains. We're in a college party today?
Want a French fries
today?
Is that what it is?
Is it raining where you at?
Wow. Okay, so I learned a bunch of stuff.
So I want you guys to make sure y'all hit her with a fave. Make sure y'all hit her with a fave. I want to thank you so much for your participation. You really did well. Guys, make sure you hit her with a fave. Hit her with a fave. You will be receiving something from me in your inbox, right?
Oh, thanks,
yourself. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, again, if you're just joining us, welcome to YAAD and Abroad with KaySweetness. This is a culture show where we teach you the Jamaican culture, we teach you the Jamaican language, but not only that, we get people from around the world to come and teach their culture and their language. Now, I want to shout out the top 10 gifters so far in the box. In the live, big up the baby, big up Petty, big up Kitty, big up Nico, big up 𝐻𝐿𝐲𝐻𝐿 Royalty, big up Navin, big up 𝐊𝐿𝐿, and big up LOL and Solo. Top 10 gifters so far. Big up everybody. Welcome everybody to YAAD and Abroad. Now we are move on to the nitty-gritty. Now, this person that I'm about to bring up, I think I met him in the Gunny's live. Now, shout out to all the Tag TV personnel that are in here so far, right? But I think I met him in Gunny's live, and then he took to me, and then he started to come around me, and then I started to go around him. And knowing me, because I know of a certain thing about his country and how it is within his country, I started to make fun of him, but he always come, and he calls me the legend. Whenever I go to him live, he met the legend. KaySweetness is in the live. And I always ask him, say, oh, chill. No bother with that. Most people know he is also known for calling people legend, right? He's also known for calling people legend. Now, coming to the box right now is the one and only representing India is the one and only 𝐊𝐿𝐲𝐻𝐿. Now tell me say 𝐊𝐿𝐲𝐻𝐿 come out of the live. 𝐊𝐿𝐲𝐻𝐿. All right. welcome the legend 𝐊𝐿𝐲𝐻𝐿 is in the building right now. The legend.
Hello guys, the legend in the building, guys. Welcome to the stream.
𝐊𝐿𝐲𝐻𝐿, welcome to YAAD and Abroad. I'm really happy to have you here. I appreciate you waking up so early. Guys, he's in India. What time is it in India right now, 𝐊𝐲𝐻𝐿?
Right now, 6:54 a.m. in the morning.
A.M. 6:54 a.m. is the time, and 𝐊𝐻𝐻𝐿, he literally sacrificed himself just so that he could be here, and for that we really do appreciate you. Now, before we kick things off, 𝐊𝐻𝐻𝐿, I'm just going to ask you to go ahead, introduce yourself to the people, and let them know how often do you stream and so forth.
Guys, welcome to the stream. I am 𝐊𝐻𝐻𝐿. I am from India, and I stream. I don't know when I stream, but I stream sometimes. But I I like to watch streams. I like to support people, but I don't know who stream I will go and whatever I do. But I host a few of the shows for other streamers, and I record battles for the. I record some of the battles, which are like a Gunny's battle, which are like a top badges battle, and I charge for them, and I upload in my Instagram. You can look at my Instagram, and I do some content creating stuff. So, yes. So,
awesome.
Like Heike said, thank you.
Yeah. All right. So again, welcome 𝐊𝐻𝐻𝐿. I'm really honored to have you right here. And thank you again for accepting my invitation to be a guest here, even though it took some. Welcome 𝐊𝐻𝐻𝐿. So 𝐊𝐻𝐻𝐿, where are you representing right now? What country are you representing?
India. I'm gonna represent India.
All right. Now, what is your country's main religion? Just to kick things off. What we know that you guys are kind of religious, when it comes to certain things? Or what is your main religion?
Yeah, actually, people has different opinions. People call it India is a country of Hindus. Hindu is a religion. So people call it as a Hindu country, but we have a different religion, unity and diversity.
Okay. Wow. And when you say Hindu, do you guys do you guys have a special way where, do you have a special kind of dressing? Do you guys dress a special way?
Yes, we have, India's main traditional dress is sari, okay? The main traditional dress is sari, kurta pajama. And have you ever heard about kurta pajama? And it's one of the kind of Punjabi dress that tops, so like that. But sari is the first Indian traditional dress which people wear mostly to celebrate their festival.
Awesome. And what are some of the traditions? What are some of the traditions of India?
Traditions, it's like we have different festivals. The tradition is, to greet. When people come from different place, we greet like namaste. We join our hands like this, and we greet like namaste. So
really? Wow.
Yeah, if you foreigners say hello like that, hello. So we say namaste, welcome to our country like this.
And what are some of your main attractions? What are some of your main attractions?
Main attraction is like, it's like festivals. If you come in during the festival times, you can see the vibes in our country. For example, Diwali. Have you ever heard about Diwali? It's like a firing crackers, in the air, firing crackers, like blowing bombs.
Fireworks. We call it fireworks.
Yes.
We call it fireworks.
Fireworks.
So fireworks is like, so if I should be traveling to your country, what are some of the things that I should know before I travel to your country?
You have to know, especially whenever you go to like streets, like non-cities, like rural places, make sure you have an Indian friend, because scammers will find you everywhere. You can find scammers everywhere, not only in cities. You can find everywhere. That's common in every country. But we in India, people talk nicely and they can steal your purse by talking nicely. But we have to be careful.
You didn't hear that? When you go India, please be careful what you pocket. I saw them look talk like Jamaica and the most thief in country. But anyway. Alright, so what is considered as a good job? What is considered as a good job in India?
But in some places. But in some places you can find whole new food, If you go to a place, you can see lots of tourist places, lots of good places, like cities, If you go to cities,
so
there will be...
Work-wise, Lakwe, what is considered a good job, a great job, a good, like a work? In terms of work-wise, what is a good job?
Good job is a government job. If you're working for a government, that's a good job in India. Because there will be if you keep leave for 1 month, you will get paid. You will get paid.
Okay.
That's like a government job.
All right. So, Lakwe, tell me one thing about yourself that you have never shared with anyone on this app.
I never shared few of things. That's like my profession. I'm a...
That is the next question. Go ahead. What is the profession?
I have different. I'm in different professions. One of the profession is I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber about to hit 1 lakh subscribers, but it's in 98K. running. So about to hit 100K. So, and apart from that, I'm a business developer and content creator. You can see me in my Instagram. I'm a content creator. So I just make contents,
Yes,
like that.
right. And what are some of the foods and fruits that we can find that is unique to India?
What? Food? You
Food
asking
and
about
fruit.
food?
What's your national dish?
Okay. So actually, we have different type of foods in different places. If you go to north of India, you can find roti and paneer and pav bhaji. The one of the delicious food, pav bhaji, roti, parota, and paneer. Okay, the roti is made up of wheat powder. You heard about roti, right? If you come to the south, you can find a different type of breakfast like idli, dosa, and upma, like that. And the most delicious recipe from the south is dum biryani. Guys, if you ever come to India, never forget to taste dum biryani. Dum biryani is a recipe made up of basmati rice and with chicken. Okay, chopped chicken legs. You have to taste dum biryani. You have to try dum biryani. I will type it for you if you can't understand. Wait a second. Dum biryani.
If you're just joining us, welcome to YAAD and Abroad with KaySweetness. This is a culture show. We teach you the Jamaican culture and the Jamaican language, but not only that, we get people from around the world to come and share with you their culture and their language. Now, so far, the top 10 gifters, we want to shout out our top 10 gifters. Da Baby, Petty, Kitty, Nico, Kokoma, Lady, Boss Lady, Sewing Royalty,